Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you for being here. Well, this was a very selfless act for you because, you know, law jargon can be very perplexing to a lot of people.
Yes,
and
yes.
yet it affects everybody, right?
Exactly.
Because when we need lawyers for whatever reasons. So is this what made you decide to come up with MyLegalWhiz?
MyLegalWhiz vision is really to make legal knowledge accessible to the public.
Right.
Although it's very useful for lawyers and law students, it is now being used by ordinary citizens. So the government is using it. Different corporations and small enterprises are also using MyLegalWhiz.
Right. But let's backtrack to when you decided to put it up. What was a deciding factor for you, and when was it launched?
Well, when I was in law school, when I was studying law and MBA, I find it hard to research for cases and laws.
Okay.
So that's when it started. But it has evolved into something better. Now, before we started with cases, now we organize cases and laws in order for us lawyers and also non-lawyers to understand the law. So, for example, if you type cyberbullying in Google, you get thousands of results. In definitions, blogs, etc. that may or may not be relevant.
Right.
In MyLegalWhiz, when you type cyberbullying, you get a discussion of cyberbullying with citations. You get citations of different references, and then you get immediately what you need. And if I'm a lawyer, I can advise my client well. If I am a non-lawyer, I would be able to understand immediately what cyberbullying is.
Right. So when you go into this site, how does it work? Do you have to be a member, or is it really open to the public?
You have to subscribe.
Okay.
MyLegalWhiz is a subscription-based online legal knowledge platform. So once you're inside, it's just like Facebook. You just need to put your username, your email, and then password, and then you search.
Right.
And then the great thing about MyLegalWhiz is it also has research assistance. So for example, if you can't find what you're looking for, you can ask Leah.
I read about Leah. What does she stand for?
Leah stands for Legal Engineer Assistant.
Right.
So when you want to draft a contract template, we can draft it. When you want a case summary, we can provide a case summary. And if you want an extensive legal research, we provide legal research. But these things are in raw and organized format.
Right.
And then the lawyer or the student or even a corporation can customize it.
But when it comes to things like that, is there a fee? Is there a particular fee for you to draft something for somebody?
No, actually it's part of the subscription.
Okay.
So you subscribe for 1 month or 1 year, and then you get that assistance for free.
Right. So this is not a money-making venture for you.
It's actually a money-making venture. It's a subscription.
Okay.
So the business model is subscription. Corporations, individuals, lawyers, law students subscribe.
So there's a subscription fee.
There's a subscription fee.
Okay.
It's in the website. And then they get to access it for a month or for a year.
Right.
And it's actually a compelling alternative to books.